So it's clear that coronavirus is here and beginning to disrupt our daily lives. Many of us here in Tunisia are complying with the government's orders and staying home. But there are plenty of entrepreneurs, innovators, and artists who have found ways to support government efforts while maintaining the social distancing necessary to help curb the spread of the disease. We would like to highlight a few individuals who are stepping up to the challenges that coronavirus has presented us with. We'll do this in two parts. Part 1 will focus on how tech innovators are responding during this unique time. This is Multiply Tunisia. Multiply Tunisia's goal is to capture the entrepreneurial spirit of Tunisia by highlighting the influencers in its startup, social innovation, and artistic communities. We're also interested in tracking the growing impact of English on these sectors and the effects that this will have on Tunisian culture. One of the main reasons we're all staying indoors is to help flatten out the curve. The idea is simple. If the spread of the virus is stretched out over time, the pressure on our healthcare system will be minimized. Staying home is a simple way for us to do our part. Yet as the inevitability of corona became real, health officials here in Tunisia began to point out the need for basic healthcare supplies. In particular, there was a need of face shields used by healthcare givers to protect them from droplets of moisture expelled by infected patients. Adnan Benhaj Yahya is co-founder and executive director of L-Space, Tunisia's first social innovation hub. When I first met Adnan, he was introduced to me as Nino. And in conversation, Nino let me know how he was organizing fab labs and individuals with 3D printers all over Tunisia to help the Tunisian government tackle the issue of no face masks. I reached out to Nino and asked him to present, in his own words, how he and innovators all over Tunisia are joining in the fight.
Hi, my name is Adnan Benhaj Yahya. I am the co-founder and executive director of L-Space, Tunisia's first social innovation hub. We do have co-working spaces, fab labs, and programs for youth empowerment and through entrepreneurship, open democracy, technology, basically. So during this outbreak of this coronavirus situation in Tunisia, we have been involved in coordinating with a larger community of makers who are engineers or students who have access to 3D printers to have a response on the medical units and medical staff in public hospitals and providing them with what they need. So for the need for now, it has been basically about face shields. Tunisian hospitals never had face shields before, and that has been a great problem. Face shields are very productive equipment in terms of this, as a response to this virus spread, and medical staff are the ones who are on the front lines. So the network we've been coordinating so far has more than 40 3D printers working almost day and night to produce these face masks. We've worked with partners, with individuals who are ready to contribute. For now, we made and delivered more than 1,000 masks, face shields, and we're still producing more, while at the same time coordinating with the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of and the Ministry of Industries to provide them with a design where they can mass produce at an industrial scale so we can reach the requested amount from Tunisian hospitals.
I was interested to know exactly how many masks the hospitals needed, and this was Nino's reply.
So in the meeting yesterday with the Ministry of Health and the shock room people, needs are for disposable masks, it's like between 1 million and 5 million. And the needs for reusable masks, it's between 100 and 200,000 units.
I want to say thank you to Nino for letting us know the need and also what he's doing to step up to meet that need. Two things that I love about what's going on there with those recordings you just heard from Nino. Number one, his 3D printers are whirring in the background. They're working constantly to fill this need that's going on right now. Also, his phone is constantly buzzing off. Can you hear that? He is constantly connecting and networking for the benefit of Tunisia. If you'd like to find out more about what Nino is doing through tech innovation, visit LSpace's Facebook page or find them at the web at lspace.org. Coming up in part 2, we see how an online art curator is joining the fight against Corona here in Tunisia. Be sure to join us next time. This is Multiply Tunisia. I'm Nicholas J. Multiply Tunisia is brought to you by 11 Talents. At 11 Talents, we consult, design, and multiply. Find out more by following us on our Facebook page, our Instagram feed, or by visiting our website at 11talents.com. At 11 Talents, we start with you.